Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Epic Games on your Android just like this. Really easy and simple. First you want to go to your browser, okay, and just search up download Epic Games. And then I want you to click on this one, download Epic Games for Android, right? And then just come down here and I want you to go ahead and select install on Android, right? So what's going to happen, right? Is we are going to be downloading an APK file from the official Epic Games store. So click on download, okay? And now the file is currently being downloaded, and then we will go ahead and open up the file, go and click on package installer. You can do just once, and then when you get this pop-up, just click on install. So right now it is installing Epic Games on my phone. Okay, and you can see app has been installed. I'll just go ahead and open this up. Don't worry, this is an official source. Now go and get started and sign in to our account. It's really that easy and simple.